and welcome to Debbie Loves Designing. Well, I've just made these two fidget pendants because I love making handmade jewellery, and I've decided to concentrate more on mental health jewellery, like making fidget more fidget bracelets and fidget pendants, and I want to make fidget rings and earrings. So this is what I've made so far, where you can fidget or fiddle in case you've got stress, or you could just a nice anyway. So if you want to come along and make one with me, stay here. And also I've done them up with the fastening and with these connectors. But I mean, you can use lobster clasps. They're really pretty and easy to make. So if you want to make one, what you're going to need is a bead of your choice for each pendant. Please keep in mind that the holes of the a lot of beads are a bit too small to go around the ring. So what I've had to do is use my bead rimmer. So I've had to enlarge the holes of some beads with a bead rimmer, just to, you know, so that when the person is wearing the pendant, this bead here can just kind of move around easily. Example like this one. So the bead can kind of move around easily. So what you'll need is a bead with a big enough center. And what you'll also need is some lovely, these are called diamante spacers, and I'm using 2 of them. I mean, you don't have to use 2, you can just use 1 bead, or you can just put a load of diamante spacers. So I'm using 2 for my design. And also I'm using this connector. It's a ring, it's got a little split in the center. What you open, it's got a nice twisted detail. Also a length of chain, which I've already cut. Put that there. Also this connector to connect the pendant to the chain, or you can use a jump ring. And also I've got 2 little, I'll just get them here, 2 jump rings I've got to connect the clasp. And the clasp I'm using are these 2, but you don't have to use those. And also what you'll need is a cutter, and this is just used to cut the jewelry making chain. And also round those pliers, I'm going to use those to open up the jump ring, close it, and also flatten those pliers. So what we're going to do is just pick up our connector like that, and we're going to open it because there's a split. So we're going to pick up this connector, we're going to open it, find the split and open it. I'm going to open it with me I'm going to open it with my flat nose pliers, just bringing it across like that. And then I'll pick up a diamante spacer and I'll put that on, just put that on, pick up my bead, put my bead on, and then we pick up another diamante spacer, thread that on the other side, like that. So you've got 1 on each side, and then I'm just going to close it by picking up my flat nose pliers and just bringing it together. Just touch each other so that it's nice and close. And you can do other things with it. You can make this into an, I want it to focus. Make it into earrings as well. That. And then you'll pick up your connector next, opened it and put that on, and then close it, bring it together and close it like that. And the connector could be up that way or round that way. So now that you've cut your chain, trace chain, you're just going to thread it through. Thread it right through. So there you are, like that. Oh, you can see it better there. And then showing it, yeah, see, it's just showing it, showing it there so you can see the full, you can see the full beauty now, like that. And then gonna pick up my jump ring, gonna open it, the jump ring, gonna hold it there, and I'm gonna open it by bringing it across. Like that. I'm gonna just open it, bring the jump ring, open the jump ring across, always across. I'm gonna thread one side onto the end of the chain, like that, and then thread the other attachment to the other side. There's a bit of a gap, so I'm just gonna bring it together, close it. So it should look like that. And then we'll pick up the other jump ring. Gonna repeat the procedure by opening it across. Open it across like that. Thread it on the other side of the chain. Sure you open the jump ring wide. Thread it on the other side of the chain. Pick up the other side. Right, once you got that, and then just pick up the other bit of the bar, the toggle bar, and then close it. Bring it together and close it like that. Okay. And then it will put it together. Right, let me do it up. So there we are. We've got our lovely fiddle pendant, which looks good at the same time. Got one in purple as well. Try and focus. Got one in purple as well, and one in pearl, and they can both move around nicely. And this connector's that way, and that one's that way. These connected, that one's downwards, and that one's kind of upwards. And it's on the lovely chain. So thank you so much for taking time out to watch my channel. If you like my channel, please consider pressing the like button. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. I try and make some lovely jewellery every week and post. And if you want to follow me, I've put down my social media links that I'm on. And if you want to have a look at my shop with all the other jewellery that I like making, I'll link that down below. So thank you so much for taking time out to watch. Bye bye for now.